Hello, this video is brought to you by the first team Robo Rhinos, Team 11254, sponsors and mentors. If you have any questions about this video, email this link. If you don't have an account in Onshape, click sign up and fill in the information over there. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to import parts into Onshape CAD. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a new document. So you're going to click on create at the top left, you're going to create a document. And you're going to want to name the document whatever you want, then click OK. Because I already have a document open, I'm just going to click on this. Once you click OK, you're going to get the same result. Now you're going to want to create a sketch. So first thing you want to do is create on any face and then click on sketch. Now you're going to wait here. So first things first, if you want a part, then you have to go to its site. So let's say I want something from GoBuilda. I will go there. And you're going to want to go to their parts website, not anything else. It may not be the first link. So let's just say that I want to 3D print a battery, or I want to make a model of a battery. You're going to search up battery, and then you're going to click on whatever you want. Obviously, you have probably done research on what you want, and you're going to click on the right thing. So you have a battery here. There's going to be GoBuilda gives you the image and it gives you the dimensions, and there's a lot more information. What you want is the step file. So you're going to download that, and then you're going to go back to your CAD file. Obviously, you're going to want to import the part. So next to the dimensions, to the left of that, there's going to be a DXF paper with the arrow over it. If it's not there, then there's probably insert image with this image on it. So click on insert image, and then this will show up. What you're going to want is you're going to click on import, and then your file should appear. Now all you have to do is double click on what we just downloaded. So what I just downloaded was the 14-0014 zip file. Then this will show up. What you want is to import this to one document, so you're going to click on the left option instead of the right, and you want everything to be aligned with the y-axis so that everything's in the same orientation where you want it in the assembly, and you want it all to be a composite part, everything in one document. Then you're going to click on OK. It usually takes a while to download. Once the step file is fully downloaded, you'll have a CAD imports tab next to the assembly, and you can see that the parts that you downloaded or imported are already there. When you're in assembly, if you want to build your robot or do anything else with the imported part, you can click on insert, and then there's going to be the part there. Obviously, it's still generating the preview for me, but the image will be there. You can click on it and drag and drop it in the assembly. If you want a step file from Tetrix, then you can click on the part that you want. Then you'll scroll down, and because there are 5 parts, I'm expecting to see 5 step files, and yes, there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and an arrow for the 5th. You're going to download that over here, and then you can do all of that fun stuff. But remember, because what I downloaded earlier was a battery, there were multiple parts to it, I downloaded it all into a single part studio. This one, you can just do the right option instead, and it'll do the same thing. For Rev Robotics, you're going to, of course, click on the part that you want. Scroll down, again, information, all of this stuff. There's going to be documentation. Ignore that, go to CAD. Some of the parts in Rev Robotics do not have the CAD step file, so just ignore it. Maybe you can find it somewhere else. So, again, step file, not parts library, just step file. Download that, do all of the fun stuff. Then there's AndyMark. If you want it, click on it, of course. Again, scroll down. There's documentation over here instead of Rev. Then they have documentation in CAD separate. Documentation says CAD in AndyMark. So you're going to click on this. It's a step file at the end over here. So I downloaded another step file for AndyMark, and again, fun stuff. And finally, there is Servo City. If you want the part, you can come here, open it up, scroll down, and just like Go Builda, almost exactly like Go Builda, there's a step file.